So to create all of that, you have to be in a certain location and physical location, and that's why we'd like to hear Roland and Burger from Luzzi talking about this new facility that Luzzi had just built in Zurich, and which aims at reducing the I always have difficulties with this word, is environmental impact. So we're going to listen to Roland from Luzzi.
Calvita, if you don't mind.
So for my family and me, it was clear that if we had the chance to build new premises for our headquarters, from where we still generate around 80% of our global operations, it has to be edgy. Not only in terms of creativity and well-being at the workplace, but also in terms of sustainability. So since the beginning, we wanted to lay the foundations for climate-neutral operations, a certification which we have just recently received. So how did we do it? Such a project always starts with the right selection of the shape of your building, because you need to minimize the ratio between the surface of a building and its volume, because it's through the surface where heat and cold are lost. Then you need great insulation. Heat and cold must be obtained from a renewable source. We use geothermal probes for that. Shading is a topic. The color of the building is a topic. LED lighting is a topic. And if you look at the operations, there's also a lot of levers that you can use. We used to pump raw materials onto the compounding system using compressed air. Now we're using gravity, which means we store our raw materials one floor above the compounding system. Other power guzzlers in a fragrance factory are cold rooms and heat rooms. These are now connected, which means that we're using the heat produced from the cooling system of the cooling room to heat up the heat room. So with these measures and some more, we were able to reduce our Scope 1 greenhouse gas emissions around 80%. But to obtain climate-neutral operations, you also have to consider your Scope 3 emissions coming from business travel and from employee commuting. And this is where it gets more difficult. We all know how important it is to